What's good, YouTube? And I'm back again with another video. It's funny, y'all, I just filmed a whole Chick-fil-A mukbang for y'all, and then it was in like two parts, and the first one is just like nowhere to be found. I don't know what the heck happened to the file, but it's in like it says like it's not an MP3, it's a DAT, whatever that is, and iMovie just won't convert it. So I'm not letting that stop the show. I said on my Facebook Live that I'm going to give you guys an updated video. So we're just going to do it again. We don't need food. We're good to go. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Talent Love, or Portia Mercedes, whatever you want to call me. And welcome to the Glam Squad, baby. And if you're returning, welcome back. Hey, sis. Okay. Hey, sissy on the. Hey, bro. But anyway, you guys. So I just want to update you guys on what's been going on, where I've been. So I'm talking quiet because I don't want to be loud because it's late. So anyway, I went through a full-on move and whatnot, and I just decided that for like where I'm trying to go, like y'all know I just turned 30 or whatever, and I felt like I wasn't satisfied with exactly. I was satisfied with where I was going, but not at the speed that I was going at. So I wanted to, like, I don't know, like speed it up. So I decided, like, after a series of events happening where I was renting the 4-bedroom house that you guys used to see me at, like, it was just, sometimes God will send you signs to make it really evident that you're not supposed to be somewhere. You know what I'm saying? It's time to move on. So my year lease was up there, so I just went ahead and moved on, and I decided that for me and all the ventures that I am embarking on, for me and my journey, the best thing would be for me to rent a room. So when I was like embarking on the journey of like looking for different people to rent a room from, which I had never done before, because I've either lived with my mom and then I had my own apartment or whatnot, and then I moved back with my mom because my mom had gotten sick for a little bit or whatever, but now she's better. So yeah, and then I moved into renting the 4-bedroom house. But anyway, like I said, I had never ever rented a room, so all I just wanted was, I told myself, I said, if they feel like peace, it's a go for me. All I want is peace. That's all. Like, I'm the type of person, I can't really function if it's not peaceful. So anyway, I found somewhere that I liked. It was the second place that I looked at, and I've been here for well over a month now, and I've been doing good. Maybe a month and a half, something like that. So anyway, I went through a move. I had to give Zen away, and I had Zen for 9 years. Zen is my cat. For all the newbies, for all the ODs, you guys saw him in the video before last where he was like scratching on the window because he always wanted to be with me no matter where I was. And yeah, I had him for 9 years. It was really hard for me. I like cry my eyes out. So update, I don't have Zen anymore because, you know, I had to downsize, and unfortunately he just couldn't come with me. All the places that let cats come, they were like either an arm and a leg, and I just really had in my mind a set budget, and I just was not about to break it because I really have a lot of ventures going on that need funding, and you know, until things take off, all the funding is coming out of my pocket. So yeah, I had to pick what was in my price range so I could afford to start reaching for some of those goals more aggressively. So there's that, and it's going. Yeah, so since me, like, basically I went through this purge of lifestyle over the past like 2 years, I want to say. Yeah. And when I say I got rid of everything, like no matter how bad it hurt, if it wasn't like serving me or keeping me saying or adding value to me, it really had to go, no matter how bad I loved it or like whoever, like it just all had to go. So I had been working on that for 2 years, and then I kept trying to restart, and then like I would have other stuff that would come up that I realized like wasn't serving me, and it was just holding me back. So I finally got to a place now where I am able to focus. Now, the thing is though, you guys, I'm actually not proud of the fact that how I operate is like when stuff goes wrong, I have to look inside of myself internally or whatever. And like say if like something traumatic happens to me, I heal myself by being with myself, by being within myself, like staying home, just talking to myself, consulting with myself, like just internally. I have mastered healing myself. However, I have not mastered how to like push through stuff while something like that is going on. And I know that's not, I know that like what I do, healing myself, is what a lot of people aspire to do, but I actually would want to be able to heal myself and still move forward with my stuff and not like shut down everything completely. So yeah, like that's why I haven't been on YouTube, because it just my mental health was like, I had to keep it in line because, you know, I had to choose me first. But I just want to, like I said, I'm trying to get to a place where I don't have to do that. And then a lot of it was where you have to really be careful what type of choices you're making, what things you're letting in your life, what people you're letting in your life, and what you're allowing them to do, how you're allowing them to affect you. And you have to kind of like know yourself and know what to stay away from. So look at that. So yeah, so you just kind of got like, you kind of got to know like what your lane is, what you can handle, what you can't, and then stay away from the stuff that you just can't handle. Like just stay away from. Yeah, anyway, so there is that. So I'm in such a good space now, much better. I could be better, but I'm gonna count my blessings. But we're gonna talk about it though, because I did tell you guys that I do owe you guys a video on how to deal with depression and things I go through, because it's just like I do want to have like some stuff that I keep to myself, but at the same time I do know that some of the stories that I have to share will help other people. The thing is that they involve other people though, and even if you guys don't know who I'm talking about, whoever may watch it will know who I'm talking about. But at some point I will talk about it because it's my journey and I do want to help you guys along the way too. But yeah, and that doesn't count against like the people that like really do me dirt. Like y'all already know with my story times, you get what you get. Like if you don't want a story time told on you, sweetie, don't do me trifling or you won't have to deal with it. Anyway, so I got some story times coming for y'all. Like speaking of, where I had some like really crappy roommates. So I got some stories, y'all. I watch roommate stories all day, and I know that listen, I watch them while I do my makeup, I watch them while I'm co-washing my hair, everything. But I got some roommate stories for you, baby, that y'all gonna be like, is she for real? Did she make this up? No, sweetie, I got a couple for you. I got about 2-3 for you. So yeah, look out for that. Anyway, I also have the Beloved Life sauce, and I got the spicy one. I've had it for a while. I just need to go ahead and make it, but I really need to get a hot plate. I need to get a fridge, and because I want all that stuff in my room. Like I want a hot plate, I want a fridge, and I need I already got pots and stuff or whatever, but I need to get like the Coca-Cola that goes in there, the chicken broth, blah 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 blah, and you know, I want a microwave. So once I get those things, which will be like within a week or so, I'll be good. And yeah, I had to get the spicy because I really wanted mild, but the Beloved Life sauce sells out so freaking fast that you kind of had to like get what you could get while it came up. I had to turn my notifications on, and as soon as the notification like hit my phone, I had to hurry up and buy it. Like it just do it fast. So I got them out. I mean, I got the spicy sauce so I could tell y'all how it is. I got it. You know what I'm saying? I got the sauce, smack-alicious. I love me some Beloved Life and her Sundarius. Them my two. Anyway, quarantine. Oh coronavirus, y'all. Coronavirus. Like, this is crazy. I'm like, it's probably like why I'm beside myself. Like, I'm an essential worker, so I do still work. I have goals to meet, so me not working just for me wasn't an option. It kind of is now. I can slow up if I want to, but I don't really want to, because I feel like once you get on top of stuff, a lot of people mess up where they'll like be like, all right, I'm good, and then they'll stop working, and then back to square one or something crazy happen. And not that I'm anticipating the worst, it's just that I'm smart, so I'm not going to stop, and I am a workaholic. So yeah, quarantine, I'm gonna tell y'all about coronavirus at a later date, just not now. But for the most part, quarantine has been pretty okay. I do miss my friends though. Like, I cannot wait to just like hug them and smell them and like laugh with them. Like, I love my friends to death, and I just miss them so much. And yeah, but tell me how y'all quarantine been going. I really want to hear. Like, I'll write back to all of my comments or whatnot. Yeah, so that's where I've been. I want to work on some edits or whatever. I'm like all over the place, but I'm just trying to, you know, get out everything that I said in my damn mukbang that got deleted. Your girl is mad. Oh. But I want to do like some different edits for y'all or whatever. Like, I'm gonna like master, I don't know, it's this video gonna have a cute thumbnail. I'm gonna master cute thumbnails because I see some cute ones. Like, I want mine to be looking like that. Like, this girl named Roxy Talks, and I even seen like one of this boy named Dan Rue or whatever. I like how they do it with the emojis and the colors and the pink, and it's so cute. So I want y'all to have cute stuff to look at. And then also, I kind of thinking about doing like a green screen. I'm thinking about it where you like put like a different setting behind you, but y'all tell me if that's something that y'all want. A part of me feels like that's too much, but then a part of me, I like it when I see other people do it, but I feel like other people think it's too much for my channel and they just like me being natural. But anyway, y'all tell me how y'all quarantine been going. I'm gonna check on with y'all probably tomorrow. I'm probably do I got this cute little video idea for tomorrow, so I'll probably drop another video tomorrow. But yeah, so what is it? It's 11:50 p.m. April 17th. Yeah, so this probably will drop first thing in the morning because I do have to edit it and all that good jazz. I was just making sure I didn't have no voice on. But anyway, yeah, I love you guys so much. If y'all have any video ideas for me, drop them down in the comments below. Oh yeah, I'm actually gonna put this at the beginning again. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna probably put this at the beginning, but I need y'all to know something. I need y'all to hurry up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't shared, share my videos. I'm like 4 people away from 300 subscribers. When we get to 500 subscribers, I will be doing a $100 giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed. I will have something for y'all to share later, but subscribing is like the main thing that you have to do to be entered in the contest for the $100. So hey, yeah, make sure you're subscribed. You know, I want to make sure somebody gets it that really needs it. It's going to be random, you know what I mean? I'm gonna randomly pick it or whatever with a generator, but still, it's my first giveaway. So hurry up, subscribe, hurry up, get us to 500 soon. But hurry us, hold up, isn't 500? No, that would be 5,000. Anyway, hurry up and get us to 500. And the quicker we get to 500, the quicker we do the $100 giveaway, the quicker I could give y'all some money. Hey, I love you guys. Until next time, be fresh and be fierce. Follow me on all social media platforms. I'll put all the links down below. I love you guys.